Hi everyone, thank you for joining me to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and as you can see we have here a new package. As always, we're going to find out together what's inside and how to use this thing. So let's not waste any time, let me grab the Swiss knife, here's the Swiss knife, and we're going to unpackage it. Well, boys and girls, what we have here is a milk frother by a brand named Gustino. This is the third milk frother I get to review, and I invite you to check the other milk frothers I reviewed as well. This specific model has a great resemblance to the Aeroccino3 Milk Frother by Nespresso, but it costs less than half of its price. The big question is if the difference between this one and the Aeroccino3 is only the price or there's something else that we're missing here. Well, that's what we're about to find out. The Gustino Milk Frother comes in a white paper box with no details on it. The package included the milk frother itself and a user manual in English. The milk frother is consisted of the following parts: a transparent lid that is surprisingly missing any silicone or rubber ring to seal it properly like the other milk frothers I'm familiar with. I contacted the seller to ask if the part was missing, but he claims that this model doesn't need it to work properly. The second part is the body itself that is mostly covered with white plastic combined with stainless steel and is missing any handle. Also, there's the power base that has an 80 cm long power cord. The device weighs 921 grams and its electric consumption is 500 watts per hour. Along with the milk frother you receive two whisks, one with the metal coil for frothing hot or cold milk, and one for heating the milk without frothing it. This milk frother has a magnetic electric motor, so you place the whisk on this metal pin at the bottom and it will spin using electric current when the device is turned on. The inside of the device is coated with Teflon. It has a lower max level that marks a capacity of 125 ml for frothing the milk, and a max level at the top that marks a capacity of 250 ml for heating the milk. The power button is surrounded by a LED indicator. To froth cold milk, press the button for several seconds until the indicator will show blue. Frothing cold milk takes about 60 seconds. To heat or froth hot milk, just press the button and the LED indicator will show red. Heating the milk or frothing hot milk takes between 70 to 90 seconds, and the milk will reach a temp of ±65 Celsius degrees. When the device will finish its action, the LED indicator will turn off and will make a short beep sound. If you leave it on the base for several moments, it will beep until you remove it. Now that you know how this device works, let's go to the bottom line. I've been using this milk frother for several weeks before making this video review. The milk texture and taste is about the same as every milk frother I used so far. The design is okay, but it's not as slick as the Aeroccino3 by Nespresso, and it makes a bit noise when it operates, but none of these issues is a deal breaker, so if you're looking for an affordable milk frother, especially if you want to get yourself the Aeroccino3 by Nespresso, you should definitely consider this one. Well, boys and girls, this was my video review about this milk frother by Gustino. For further information about this item, please check the description to the video, and if you still have any questions about it, please comment on this video and I will do my best to come up with an answer. If this video review was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to like this video. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channels, OVR Fashion, OVR Kids, Original Video Reviews, and of course this channel, OVR Chef. Plus, you can also find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Amazon, etc. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye!